So what happened is we have a strap in here. You can adjust this. So this is adjustable strap. So it was stated that this is a unisize, so it can accommodate almost all kind of all sizes. It's small, large, extra large, and medium as well. It's pretty nice. Fishing and photography best. And another thing here is at the back you can see it's a mesh, so it's breathable. So even if you wear this during the summer, this should be comfortable because you see all the holes in here. So it's not sweaty when you're going to use it in warmer climate. And this one, it has its own, there's an extra pocket in here to store some extra stuff. So this is the side. Yeah, so this is basically it. I will be putting the link below on in my Amazon link, just in case you are interested in trying this photography and fishing vest.